Yeah. SoundzDevine, Mike Ange. We've been at this shit. Ha ha. That's what we said to the BigZulu diss song, you know. Ha ha. Shit was funny as hell. Check it, man, I be ducking and jabbing when I come up out the corner. Niggas talk too much, I think I need some order. Gunning for these niggas, my master revolver. Last man standing and all the shit is over. Hard on the mic, but I'm hard on my ladies. Lyrical fiend to you, I'm like Hades. Superman rap, cause the games that didn't save me. In my own lane, all these critters can't wake me. But damn, these niggas really let it hate me. But niggas talk more than bitches these days. How I got my mind on my money these days. Boss for days, I'm too street for you niggas. Clear up like watches when I run up on you niggas. And I ain't double bullshit for fucking fake niggas. Kindergarten rappers busy pulling fake triggers. You bunch of clown ass niggas, I'm a lyrical assassin. I'm shooting at these has-beens. Hand me the mic, I'll show you how pain feels. It SoundzDevine getting in on the cypher. I'm heading for the Angelicson slicer. I'm heading for the Angelicson slicer.
So
you know this is your diss song.
Uthi unkabi kahle kahle ke wacisha bani, huh? Does he have a body? Has he ever caught a body? Hey, who did he even kill? Okay, let me get you chilled, baba. I'm too skilled, baba. I'm not talented, I am skilled, baba. Best all this rap shit, I'm the drill, baba. Way too ill, baba. The black version of Slim Shady, not like game, I'm not that crazy. Osingibuyele kahle kahle kule nkabi. Ngazi ezacile mina enkabi. Engamhlinza ngathi inkomo engamdala kabi. Umlethela e-studio, mina ngamdala kabi. Tough sec, okay, sengamjwayela kabi. Freestyle, but this style ain't for free. Ngizwe kahle G. Bathi u-Angelicson namathelo beats ngathi Sean G. Young OG, like Fab, I'm the OG. Slow down and you're killing them. Simple rap about, we ain't feeling him. I hate them niggas who rap, we ain't feeling them. Freestyle sessions, but it's expensive every session. Where Angie goes, probably that with Dave. Probably had me talk that talk, but I do this probably like every day. We're too nice on the mic, got get nice. They spray like a virus, but it's not that nice. Nah, he a product of marketing. Gahle lotion, don't you dare, just like marketing. I'm not acting, I'm a real rapper. I heard your rapper talk, but to me more like an actor. I'm that rapper that your favorite rappers get to rap after. But you asking, slap on the lead nigga like you shingam. Shine go, man, to sin in dam. Ngizwe kahle boy, nice on the beat, probably anytime. I smoke your favorite rapper like it's all anytime, dog. While I'm drinking Jägermeister, cause I'm a master. I turn an OG to a young nigga, cause me na I'm fucking scared with the rap, son. Wangamazi Jay-Z, so we rap I got existed. Ngangipayizeli boy, 16 it ghosted. Something, I'm probably after Zago and Duncan, but it ain't chill, Dwana, you still killing them. Slow down, twice in Valley, I'm still killing them. Sims with a rapper like KO and Kaba ain't feeling them. I'm like KO, tell them get another KO. From this flow, I'm still punching like Tyson. Before I 10-20, I was punching like Tyson. I'm little like dog, I can teach him something, I ain't rhyme dog. No, I'm fucking ringing like Casper and turn into a ghost like Casper.